Hello, my name is Veronica and welcome into the Learning Lab. And in today's lab, I'd like to open my Crafter's Companions Precious Memories Mega Kit that I received from HSN. Come on in and let's get started. My kit actually arrived on Monday, but I've been letting it sit to disinfect for a few days, so I finally opened it on Thursday. Gloves for the outside, but I really didn't need it for the inside because from the date that it shipped, it spent about 7 days trying to get to me. So I opened it up and was actually very excited to dig into this awesome kit. So let me go through this with you. It is this wonderful tabbed page and purse card that can be used, solo or in with all of the other items. The stamps, and goodness knows I don't need any more stamps. So I don't know if I would even keep these. I also have some of these labels that are very similar because I bought a lot of those planner stamps when they first became popular. So we'll see. And this one, the Twist and Pop card, I know I can make it on my own, but I was very excited to receive this. This frames one. I'm sure I have dies that I can put together that can actually make any of those. And for down here, I can put it into my Cricut, line it up, and cut out whatever word I want on there, not just the ones here. And plus I have small dies that I could put that in. And of course, this album spine, I created my own album spine for another mini album that I was putting together, but I thought I'll try Sarah's and we'll see how that works. And then, of course, this beautiful waterfall card. Again, there are tutorials on YouTube that you can use this on. So once I'd gone through all of these, I was like, I think something's missing. I think there should have been 8 items. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's my 8th item? So I went back and watched the HSN replay from that show. I'm going to insert a photo here. And I realized I should have gotten my magnets. And my magnets were not in the box. So I called HSN, got customer service. She went to read the description. Now, mind you, at HSN, when I went back to click to check what should have been in there, it had been removed, saying this item is no longer available. Generally, when it's sold out, they'll still leave it up so you can see what was in the kit. I couldn't. So when customer service went back and read the description, she said that it didn't say magnets come with it. I said, it's live. It was live on TV. It is sitting right now on YouTube showing those magnets. So I went and grabbed a screenshot of it. But she said because it wasn't in the description, she couldn't send out something that was not included in the kit. Seriously, HSN? This is the hill you want to die on. Okay. Well, you know what? They said we have 90 days. So I think I'll play with it for 90 days. And after that, if I don't like it, I'll return it. But in the meantime, I am going to reach out to those people a little higher than that customer service rep because this is false advertising or it's bait and switch. Again, HSN, is this the hill you want to die on? I also told the rep, I am pretty sure I am not the only person who is called in about this. So if you ordered this kit and you did not get your magnets, let me know. If you ordered it and you did get them, please let me know. I would also encourage you to post on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, any other social media where HSN has a presence and let them know that you're not happy. And some of us may have even forgotten that magnets were supposed to have been included because I did. But I did know that there was supposed to have been 8 items and 1 was missing. From here on out, anything that I order online from a show or anything, I'm going to grab a screenshot of what should be in the kit so that when it arrives, I'll know whether or not something is missing. But that's been my little fiasco with HSN on this kit. So it has soured me somewhat. We'll see. But yeah, I'm not happy. On to some happier news. I was in a Dollar Tree picking up some disinfecting supplies, and of course I had to visit the craft section, and lo and behold, this is what I found there. Yeah. These beautiful floral, well, they're like the, what do you call that? Netting. These are netted flowers with a rhinestone in there from Jolie's Boutique. They had a blue and this gorgeous yellow. I mean, just the twilling on that is so cute. And they are already adhesive on the back. And then I found this red one, which I thought was quite cute. They're maroon, large flowers. And this one just took my breath away. They are billing it as white burlap flowers and gems. I mean, look at that. That's gorgeous. And I do have some burlap that I was going to cut to make some flowers, but these are gorgeous. So this actually ends on a nice little high note with my little quick haul from Dollar Tree. Mine only had 2 of these, and I got the 2 that they had, but they had quite a few of those, and I didn't take them all. So there are still some there if you're in my area in Northern Virginia. As always, thank you for joining me in the Learning Lab. If you get an opportunity, hop over and check out my blog, which I need to update. And that's at incollusions.blogspot.com. Until then.